come on up. Just grab a seat right there. All righty. Everybody, welcome to the graduation 2023 Unity 102 class. Before I get started with my side, I would like to introduce the Dean of the IIE schools, Mr. Pleasure. Mr. Pleasure, where you at? Come on up here and say a word or two.
Not here. Left long time ago. How y'all doing?
Good.
Can we have Anthony on stage too?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, anybody faculty, please come on up.
Anthony?
He was here. Where'd he go?
Well, sit down. You're blocking the view of everybody. Everybody want to see my pretty face. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say thank you for coming out and to the graduation, and hopefully you encourage your friends to want to come join up for the class, and you can be where these people are right now. I mean, this is great. They still coming in, Ryan. So I don't want to keep up. I don't want to say too much. Just thank y'all for coming out to support us, and we're gonna be doing some big and fantastic things in the near future. Right. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the teacher, Ryan.
Hey, everybody. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you to all of you guys. I couldn't have done it without Kurt in the background on Discord and sharing with you guys on a one-on-one basis. Kurt has been amazing. He's technically not an assistant. He was a co-teacher, but he just didn't speak up enough. So on the next one, you will. You're going to be teaching a couple lessons next semester. Trust me. Thank you, and Anthony, who's an MRE developer in here teaching a class, El Boogie and Jadouse for putting everything together. I do have a speech written here, and so good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Unity 102 graduation ceremony. We are here to celebrate incredible achievements of our graduating class of 2023. These amazing students have spent the past 8 weeks learning, growing, and pushing their boundaries to get to this point. Today, we want to recognize and congratulate each of the graduates for their hard work and dedication. And so as I call your name, please come forward, and then you can come have a seat over here with Mr. Pleasure. So graduating from the Unity 102 2023, the first person on our list is Tel Stu. Come on up, Tel Stu. Yay!
Hey, Tel Stu.
Good job, Tel.
All right, Tel. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. It up for Tel Stu. There we go. All right, next on the list, VR Darren G. Mr. Darren, come on up.
There you go, buddy.
Hey, Darren.
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've got to say, Darren has been an amazing world builder in here. And before my class, he was doing everything with kits. He still does incredible work, but the fact that you're able to now take it to the next level with Unity, I am just so proud of you. And you are about to be the next artistic skill in here. So really proud of you. Congratulations.
Yay.
All right, Darren.
Yeah.
Give it up for Darren. Woohoo!
Woo!
Next up, I got Mr. Jim 709. Come on down.
Hey, Jim 709.
Hello, Jim.
Hey, congratulations, man. It's hard to handshake in VR, but it is what it is. Jim has been working really hard. When you go see his world, the animation and the Pro Builder tools that he used has just been phenomenal. And really proud of you, Jim. Congratulations. You earned it.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Yeah.
Cyber Shay, come on up. How about a hug here? Because handshakes aren't working very well. So there we go. Congratulations, Cyber Shay. You did a great job. You brought it together, and working with you has been an amazing. And I know that you're going to go on to do better things. So really proud of you. And I'm congratulating you as graduating from our 102 class. Even though you didn't take the 101 class, I know it was hard on you, but you did it. So I'm very proud of you, and congratulations.
Hey.
And Doe City, is Doe City here?
Don't see
I did
him.
get
Too bad.
I'm naming him because he did send me a message that said that he's got some issues that he will not be able to attend. But I wanted to mention his name because he is a graduate. And so if everybody could give it up for Doe City. Woo, woo.
Yes, man.
Next on the list I got is iLake VR. You hear iLake?
Yeah,
On up.
Here he comes. Yay.
Hey,